Hello learners, have a pleasant day to all of us. I am Mr. Rexon de Bertolay and I will be your teacher in the science class for today. For today's discussion, we will talk about living things and also their needs. But before anything else, here are some objectives. At the end of the lesson, children must or expected to define living things and identify the living things needs. Then identify the characteristic of living things. Okay class, did you ever heard about living things before? Or how can you describe living things? Okay. The living things is a term refers to the things that are now or once were alive or exist. For example, human, animal, plants, and even those bacteria that cannot be seen our naked eyes. Those things are considered as living things. So, the characteristic of living things are living things can breathe, can grow, can eat, and reproduce. Also have senses. We have already the basic characteristic of living things. For further discussion, we will explore more about other things that the living things can do. Okay, let's go.
Living things can grow and develop. Living things obtain and use energy. Living things adapt to their environment. All living beings are made of one or more cells. Living things respond to their environment or stimuli. All living things excrete to remove waste material from their body. Living beings have the ability to give birth to their young ones through the process of reproduction. All living beings require energy to perform different metabolic activities, and they gain energy from food or nutrition. All living things, apart from plants, move from one place to another. This type of movement is called locomotion. All living beings, including humans, animals, plants, birds, and insects, requires gas to breathe and produce energy.
From the characteristic of living things also have its needs, like the water, the air, food, and shelter for their survival. Now, we are done discussing the living things and their needs. Now, let's proceed to the activity.